I absolutely love a good ear cleaner, especially one that does not require any batteries or charging. This one here was sent for my review, and I'm going to be trying it for the very first time. I do love that it comes with different tips for the end right here. You do get 4 in total. They are all the same, but these are really good just to be able to change out over time, or if multiple people are using this, you know, you each can have your own little tip. And super simple. You just have your water down here on the bottom. You want to be careful when you're putting water in here. You don't want it to be too cold. You don't want it to be too hot. Something warm is always in the best interest. I didn't do it today, so unfortunately for you, you're probably not going to see a bunch of wax coming out. But before I do things like this, I do like to kind of just put a little like wax softener in my ear, just so that it helps with the flow. And then basically with this one here, just it's going to be like a pump. You're going to do it yourself. So I do like that I get to control that, because a lot of the other electric ones, when you put it on, you kind of like, you know, you can't control that. Whereas this one, you can just start pumping, stop pumping, just depending on how that feels. So let's just go ahead and give it a try. And the other thing too is, I'm assuming, as I said, I'm just doing this for the first time, then the water is going to collect in here. I do like that it is clear. So if there was a bunch of wax, you'd be able to see that. I definitely love that. Maybe not everybody does, but yeah, so this just goes into the ear like so. And then you want to have this kind of cupped, and then oh, yeah, I can definitely see how that was going to clean my ears. Honestly, you can't really tell, but there's definitely some floaters in there for sure. It takes some getting used to. I think I went like full blast right away, so I was like a little bit shocked. I would definitely go a little bit lighter in the future. But yeah, this is great, and I can't wait to be wax-free soon.